So I went to the bank and I asked for a $10,000 loan, and I took that money and put it all on a single stock. I'm 20 years old and I'm really getting into the full swing of investing now. What this means is that I want to have more money invested. And what better way to do that than getting someone else's money to do it for you? And so before you call me stupid and click away from the video, hear me out, because I know this goes against a lot of people's philosophies for investing and just saving in general. Like this one guy, his name rhymes with Ramsey. If you can tell by my $10,000 investment from a loan, I don't really like the way he teaches things. The first reason I did this though was because I had really good interest rates. And so essentially on my loan, I am paying 4.5% interest every single year. What this means is that even if I had it in a bunch of different stocks so that it's a safer play, I'll still make money over time. I'm paying extra to have my money in the market now. Then it was just a matter of which stock will outperform the market. Easy question. And so I was doing my research and I boiled it down to going into one of the big Mag 7 stocks. These are essentially the 7 biggest and best performing as of recent stocks that you can choose. And the logic behind it was that it is going to be safer because they're big companies. And so even if my investment does go straight down as soon as I put my money in it, I can be confident that something like Apple or Google, they'll eventually come back. Like they're not going to go to zero. They literally own the world. They're wealthier than some countries. And so I would put my money on them eventually coming back, even if they dropped like 50% in a month. And then it was just which company I chose. And it ended up being Microsoft. The biggest reason for that is it was at a huge discount. The reason being the fundamentals were still solid. They still have earning reports completely smashed by billions of dollars, which is insane for a company that big. The reason it was tanking was based off of speculation that AI is phasing them out, or they won't be able to profit enough off of the AI boom. And so people are afraid of what's going to happen to Microsoft, meaning they sell. And so given that it's all speculative and it's not based in the actual company's valuations, that's the one I went with because it was such a good discount. And historically, after a stock like a Mag 7 stock drops 25-30%, it will not drop another 20 or 35% in a short amount of time, which to me sounds fantastic for these $10,000 loans that I'm putting on it. It's just one. I don't know why I made that plural. And it might not be the most financially sound, so I wouldn't recommend it for anybody. And so it was like a random Monday, I just dropped 10 grand on it. And you would never guess which war started the weekend that I put my money on it. You're telling me I put $10,000 of somebody else's money, and the Saturday that I'm holding it, missiles have been fired. The country, I don't know if YouTube will allow me to say, from the United States of America. And so that's when I started investing in it. But the real question is, where is it now? So it's up 5%. I'm up $400 US, but I have 2 price targets. It's either in at least 6 months of holding, or it's when the price hits $480 US. And I cannot sell until one of those happen. I just can't sell. So how can I lose money if I can't sell? And I'll update you when I decide to sell my position, and we'll see how it goes. If you think that's interesting as well, please consider following. I would be so happy to make more $10,000 loans to continually get views.